Hello SS1 class, you are welcome to online learning. I remain my humble self, Osai Kachi. I'll be taking you on the examples of what we have been doing throughout the week. We have been able to establish that a stereo angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of two opposite interior angles. We have been also able to establish within the week that opposite angles are equal, that vertical angles are equal, that two angles are vertical, and when they are vertically opposite angles are equal, and two angles when they are alternative they are also equal, that corresponding angles are also equal. So we have been able to establish all these things. So we have also proved that sum of angles in a triangle is equal to 180 degrees, and we have been also, which is the last thing we did, that one exterior angle, like I said before, is equal to sum of two opposite interior angles. So I want us to go to more examples. Let us stop proving, but what we just do, the last theorem 3 in that chapter of essential mathematics, which says that of isosceles triangle, that the base sides are equal. Just study it, it's not difficult. We'll go to more examples. When we solve more examples, you will understand what we are doing. So our examples will be based on what we have done through the week. Just apply it. You'll see how simple everything is. So let's go to the board and continue solving. Using your mathematics textbook, Essential Mathematics, exercise 15.4. 15.4, page 205. Page 205. So first of all, I'll be taking two questions from number 1, and probably 2 questions also from number 2. We call it a day. 2 questions from number 1 and 2 questions from number 2. So the first one I'll be taking is A. I'll be taking A. The question said, in the following figures, find angle X and hence write down the mathematical name of each triangle. So we were given this triangle, something like this, said 80, here is 80, here is 50 degree, and here is X. The question said, find the value of X. So I think it's just simple. The only thing for you to do is to add these things inside. This, and this. It's just for you to add them together. When you add them, you equate them to 180. When you equal them to 180, you'll find your answer. So let's go. You have 80 plus 50 plus X equal to 180. Remember your reason. Sum of angles in a triangle. This is the representation of a triangle. Sum of angles in a triangle. So you have 130 degree plus X equal to 180. Then you collect like terms. You have X is equal to 180 minus 130. So X is equal to 50. So in this case now, if here is 50 and here is 50, what type of triangle are we talking about now? From what we have been saying, I told you the types of triangles we have. equilateral, scalene, and isosceles. So which type of triangle is this? The type of triangle is isosceles, where the base sides are equal. The two base sides are equal. So we go to the next question. In the same number 1, you have something like, I'm solving 1C. I'm solving 1C. You have this. You have this. You have this. One 48. Here is 116 degree, and here is x. There are two ways in which we can solve this. Remember, we said that two opposite interior angles are equal, but the other way will be a very long way. But let me show you the simplest way first. Solution. Remember, we said angle on a straight line is equal to 180 degree, and this 148 and x are on the same straight line. Don't mind my line, it may be straight, sometimes it may not be straight. Understand? But the main thing is that you understand that they are on the same straight line. So this plus this will give us 180 according to the law. So you have x plus 148 is equal to 180 raising angle on a straight line. We collect like terms. When we collect like terms, you have x is equal to 180, this we move to the other side, minus 148. X is equal to this minus this. So 180 minus 148 will give us 32 degree. If you have 32 here, definitely there is something like 32 there also. So for us to confirm, we call this place y. If you call it y, for us to confirm the type of triangle it is, if you call this place y, we say 116 plus, we know x now as 32, plus y, for us to know the type of triangle it is, equal to 180, as the sum of angle in a triangle, yes. So this plus this will give me 148. So you have 148 plus y equal to 180. So y is equal to 180 minus 148. Then y is equal to 32. So what type of triangle? Definitely an isosceles triangle, because the base sides are also equal. Isosceles triangle. So go to number 2. We'll go to number 2. I'll solve 2 questions from number 1. Then I'll also solve 2 questions from number 2, or 1 as the time permits, so that we move faster. So the first one in number 2, the question said, in the following figures, find the angles marked S and Y. Find the angles marked S and Y. And the first one goes like this. That's the way it is. Something like this. So you have here as y, as I'm solving 2a, here is 70. So you have x. Okay, and here is x. So this indication tells you that this side is equal to this side. This side is equal to this side. So for us to confirm it and for us to do the same thing, since they have shown us this sign that it's an isosceles triangle, you also put x here. Solution. Since you have put x here, what you will do is to add what is inside the bracket first. You have x plus 70, sum of angles in a triangle, equal to 180. Sum of angles in a triangle. If you have done that with me, now x plus x will give me 2x. Then you have 2x plus 70 equal to 180. So 2x is equal to 180 minus 70. Then 2x is equal to 110. So when you divide both sides by 2, because we are looking for x, we are not finding 2x. What we are after is x. We are looking for x. So if you have done that division, if you divide both sides by 2, what will it give you? I trust you. You have 2x over 2 is equal to 110 divided by 2. That means our x is equal to 55 degrees. So if here is 55 and here is 55, it's an isosceles triangle. If you add it to this place, it will give you 180. So, but we are looking for y. So what we do, remember like the last one we did, angle on a straight line. Angle on a straight line is equal to 180. So we have discovered or solved that x is equal to 55. So you say y plus x equal to 180. Sorry, x is our 55. 55 is equal to x. Or x is 55 equal to 180. Or there is no problem also if you also write that x plus x equal to 180, angle on a straight line. So you put the value of x, which is 55, you have y plus 55 equal to 180. So y will give us 180 minus 55. 180 minus 55, then our y will give us 125 degrees. We are done solving. This is our answer. It's our answer. So, at this point, I think I have to let you go, or I will solve another one, which will bring us to the end of this lesson. Let me solve another one. Please don't go anywhere.